In the world of military aviation, few aircraft have captured the imagination quite like the V-22 Osprey. Unveiled in 1989 as the world's first operational Tiltrotor aircraft, it promised a revolutionary capability that would change the game for the U.S. Marine Corps, Air Force, and Navy. However, recent events have thrust the Osprey back into the spotlight, and not for the reasons its creators intended. The Osprey's turbulent history has been marked by periods of success and controversy. After 18 years of development, it entered service in 2007, replacing the aging CH-46C Knight. Initially dubbed the Widowmaker due to a series of high-profile crashes, the Osprey managed to shake off its ominous nickname as it demonstrated its capabilities through the 2010 S. Fast forward to today, and the Osprey finds itself once again under scrutiny. The crash on November 29, off the coast of Kagoshima, Japan, marked its fourth fatal incident in less than 2 years. Eyewitness accounts describe a harrowing scene as the aircraft, flying upside down, succumbed to a fire on its left wing, ultimately resulting in a tragic descent. The aftermath has led both the Air Force and Navy to ground their V-22 fleets, raising questions about the safety of an aircraft once hailed as a game-changer. Preliminary investigations point to a potential material failure, but the underlying cause remains unknown. The statistics are troubling. With a Class A accident rate more than 3 times that of its counterpart, the UH-60 Black Hawk, the Osprey faces scrutiny, not just for its safety record, but also its cost. At $84 million per aircraft, it's a pricier alternative, especially when compared to the $19 million Black Hawk. The Osprey's Tiltrotor design, allowing for vertical takeoff like a helicopter and conventional flight like an airplane, delivers unparalleled flexibility and range. But as recent events highlight, this capability comes at a cost. The Osprey may be a marvel of engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in military aviation. Yet, as the smoke clears from its recent incidents, one can't help but wonder, is the cost of this capability too high?